some people are for extended warranties, and some people, I don't know who I'd be talking about, are not for extended warranties.
Don't ask my opinion. You just had it.
Do you want his 2 cents? To get an extended warranty or not? That's today's topic as we tour the world here in Epcot, Florida. Come along for the journey with us as we go all around the world. You know, the first thing you need to do is you need to do your research and familiarize yourself with what warranties are out there for you. Familiarize yourself with the type of RV that you're buying and the kind of maintenance that goes along with that, and just how handy are you?
So who's going to shop for an extended warranty? You know, this luring of people that, oh, by the way, we buy a unit, no worries, it's all under warranty. You've got to learn the ins and the outs of those extended warranty, and on this video we'll try to bring you along and kind of forewarn you of a couple of things that you should have thought or might have thought of by your research. So you have to understand your manufacturer's warranty. What's their basic warranty? From there you have a starting point.
What does their warranty cover?
Then you might think of extended warranty. Here's the problem with extended warranty. We have some people that actually reached out to us and forewarned you and us, in our comments by the way, of extended warranty. What does that imply?
Watch out for the pitfalls of what it could imply.
Salesmen will lure you into, oh, no worries, you don't need an inspection, or no worries to break down anything and everything. It's under warranty. You just bought yourself a $5,000, $15,000, $20,000 extended warranty that is totally useless, maybe.
Could possibly be useless. Make sure you shop around. You want to obtain quotes from your dealership, from third-party options, and also check online. You want to make sure that you're comparing what they're offering, apples to apples, not apples to oranges.
Remember, when it's too good to be true?
It's too good to be true.
That's the point of those extended warranty. What you got to understand is an extended warranty starts from the day you purchase, carrying on. So what they don't tell you when they sell you this extended warranty is that the company has their own inspector, their own evaluator that will be sent on site when you will claim, and they will actually show or prove or tell their boss that, oh no, that it is a pre-existing condition. So you're not warranty. So wake up, people. It's not because they sold you an extended warranty that you're under warranty. It's warranty you're gonna pay.
But that's where reading the fine print really comes in handy. So make sure you carefully review your contract with your extended warranties so that you know exactly what is covered and what is not. Remember, there's going to be things that are excluded, and it's going to be for what duration. You need to know what the duration is of your extended warranty.
By the way, most things are going to be excluded. Just saying.
Well, that just goes into talking that some people are for extended warranties, and some people, I don't know who I'd be talking about, are not for extended warranties.
Don't ask my opinion. You just had it.
Do you want his 2 cents?
If you don't know how to read, it's time to learn right there. This will be you thought getting married was the worst document you would have to sign?
Are you kidding me?
No, but all the rules that you established before we got married, I didn't read it. I
made you sign twice.
Yeah, that too.
He had to marry me 2 times, once in Jamaica and once in Vermont in the snowbank. Hey, that was awesome.
Yeah, maybe we ought to go back there and do that again.
Jamaica or the snowbank?
The Jamaica.
Yeah, we're not going back to the snowbank.
So remember what they're going to tell you every time you're going to ask a question. Is this covered? Is this covered? Is this covered? They will tell you yes every time. Ask yourself and ask them, where's that stipulated in this contract that you're going to make me sign for? $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. Your question ought to be answered. So
also, there's a lot of hidden fees. You need to be an investigator to find the hidden fees in the contract. that really fine print, it's hard to see those hidden fees.
Yeah.
I think another really important thing is knowing how to file a claim. And I know that when there is a claim to file, people are going to be nervous. So you need to know exactly what the process is from the company that you're buying this extended warranty from. But not only that, deductibles. You've got to know your deductibles. These are huge questions that you need to ask for that extended warranty.
Again, read and ask question. Ask question and read. If I didn't say it before, read and ask question.
What did you say?
And if you're not sure, ask and read question. Read question and ask. I don't know, whatever which one. Figure out the one that would make
forward, back, forward.
that one that you will be able to process. We're just trying to give you hints and tips here to be aware of what to look for.
Remember when you were a kid and you got in trouble at school and you had to come in from recess and they made you sit down and you had to write 100 times, I will not run on the pavement. I will not push Joey again. Well, this is the same thing. Write it 100 times. Read and ask questions. Read and ask questions. Avoid pressure tactics. You will be pressured by your salesperson.
They will try to drag you down, drain you down. The important thing you got to remember is that their purpose and their goal is to sell you then and there. Remember, it's an extended warranty. You didn't need to sign it this second. This is not the purpose of this extended.
You can take your time. You can go home. You can research then. If you haven't finished your research before you sign on the dotted line, after you have the RV inspected, you still have time to go home and do your research to buy that extended warranty. Don't feel pressured. It's their pocket that you're making fat.
Ask the document of what's covered, go home, talk it over with your dog, with your cat, with whatever animal you
Your
have.
goldfish.
They're probably going to have more sense than the person that was in front of you try to explain it and lying to you. I didn't mean lying. I'm sorry. I'm just
No.
They were
Explaining.
Yeah, let's put it
explaining
this
to you.
way.
So make sure you check reviews. As everyone knows, reviews are really important. You got to kind of read through the reviews, but I think that if people are having really good luck with a certain company and they're talking about it, maybe that would be a way to go.
Remember, we're influencers.
We're not experts.
All right,
We just are sharing our 2 cents.
so we can influence you in the direction you might not want to go.
Being careful and
Be careful.
researching and doing your own extended research. That's what you need to do.
There you go.
It's all about you.
And it's on you.
So remember, and do never forget.
Not about the destination. And all about the journey.
I said I was in a fife and drum corps when I was 13, when I was in Girl Scouts. You didn't know I knew how to play the fife?
I know you know how to blow in the flute, but
Well, it's kind of like it's kind of like a flute. Yeah, you have to hold your lips just right. You know,
that's still taping.
it's still taping. Yay! What world are we in? Where are we?
I don't know. We're in China. We're in Germany. We're in.
We're gonna
America,
eat in
We're
China.
in Canada.
We're
gonna eat
having
in
lunch
China.
in China
There you
today at the 9 Dragons. Oop, I can't wait.
Fast forward. Let's go to China.
And you need to be an Can you even see me?
Yeah.